हेलो एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। होप सारे ठीक होंगे जी। आज लॉकडाउन थोड़ा जिहा दोबारा लग गया। सो टुडे वी आर लाइव विद माय फेसबुक फ्रेंड्स, विद माय फैमिली। सो लेट बी गेट सम मोर फ्रेंड्स, जस्ट वेट। हेलो अमरिंदर, की हाल है राजे, हाउ आर यू? हाँ जी, सत श्री अकाल सारिਆਂ ਨੂੰ। ਲਾਈਵ ਆ ਅੱਜ। ਲਾਈਵ ਹੋਣ ਦਾ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਵੀ ਰਿਗਾਰਡਿੰਗ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਪਰਮਿਟ ਵਟਸ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਨਿਊ ਰੂਲਸ ਆਫ ਹਾਈ ਕਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦਾ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਪਰਮਿਟ ਦੇ ਰਿਗਾਰਡਿੰਗ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਾਈਵ ਆ। ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੋ ਮੈਮਸ ਲਾਈਵ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਅੱਜ, ਮਿਸ ਅਮਰਜੀਤ ਐਂਡ ਮਿਸ ਕੋਮਲ ਫਰੋਮ ਲਾਇਜ਼ਨ ਕਾਲਜ। ਸੋ ਗਾਇਜ਼, let them be connected, just wait for a while. Some important things we have to discuss today with you friends regarding Canada study visa, after landing to Canada, jobs, about the jobs, about the study online, study offline, all the things we have to discuss. We have a special guest with us, Komal ma'am, so we are waiting for her. Just wait guys. Just wait for 5 minutes, 2 minutes, just wait please. I'm waiting for Komal ma'am. Amarjit ma'am is online, so just connected with Amarjit ma'am first. Now I guess. Yes.
Hello everyone.
Hello ma'am, how are you?
Hello everyone. Very fine. And today we are live to give you some of the updates about Canada and especially about the Lizen College and about the September session, how we can apply, whether the VS or VFS are open or not, and about all these things we will discuss. There will be Miss Komal Sharma with us very soon, and we will discuss with her also. Till then, I would like to give you some of the updates that now we can launch Canada file online as the online portals are open, and there are many of the universities and colleges which are providing offer letter free of cost even, and even the Focus College and ABC College, SS Business College are providing free laptop. Once you will get the visa, you will get the free laptop. Apart from that, there are co-op programs. Gagan sir will explain you what are co-op programs. Please, Gagan,
Okay ma'am, you please
explain
you please
about
try to be online, and please call Komal ma'am, so she would be also join with us. Co program Canada.
Komal.
Sorry.
Komal ma'am will soon be with us. Till then, you can explain them about the co-op programs. That what are co-op programs?
Some colleges are providing a facility of co-op program. Co-op is like if you like doing study in a some college, ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ 1 ਸਾਲ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਤੁਸੀਂ 1 ਸਾਲ ਨੂੰ ਡ੍ਰੌਪ ਆਊਟ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ co-op ਵਰਕ ਪਰਮਿਟ ਚ ਕਨਵਰਟ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹੋ। ਫਿਰ 1 ਸਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਫੀਸਿਸ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਨੂੰ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਫਟਰ ਮਤਲਬ ਸੈਕੰਡ ਈਅਰ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਹੋਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ then again you can continue with your second year. ਸੋ co-op ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਾਫੀ ਕਾਲਜ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਾਈਡ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੈ। ਉਹਦਾ ਐਡਵਾਂਟੇਜ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਸਟੱਡੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਮ ਫੁੱਲ ਟਾਈਮ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਆਫਟਰ ਫਸਟ ਈਅਰ। So that is a very good thing. Some of the colleges are provided. Even Duolingo test is accepted with some of the colleges, but yet now no visa granted from embassy, from High Commission of Canada. So these are some small things we are
Yes.
discussing.
Yes, because Duolingo test is acceptable in many of the colleges and universities, but till the date we have not got any updation from the embassies. But still, student can go for the Duolingo test because this test is very easy and moreover it is very cost effective. It will cost just 49 US dollar, just 3300 rupees. And apart from that, this test is just for 1 hour. Once you will get the a score of 95 to 100, it means you have scored 6 band. And I think so everybody can do this test. And now we have some of the colleges and universities which are also accepting 5.5 in one or two modules. So once you have your file ready, you can just assess with us. Apart from that, if your 12th result is awaited and you have yet to appear in the trials, still you can apply for the conditional offer letter. And there is one more good news that right now we are doing after visa payment also. Once you have to apply for the loan or you need any assistance, even then we are with you and we can help you to, we can give you guidelines and we can give you offer letter to apply for the loan. And apart from that, if you want to pay after visa, you can also contact us. We have some of the colleges and universities for which even you can pay your fee after visa. And so you need to visit. And if due to the COVID you don't want to come to us, you can take an online appointment. You can call on 98728 70800 for the online appointment, and then our team will just guide you on phone. You can email your document, and you can just have an appointment on Skype, Zoom. You can do a video call with me or with Mr. Gagan sir. If you need any assistance, you can just WhatsApp your number on 98728 70800. And right now the conditions are really good in Australia, as New Zealand is free, I think so, almost free from the COVID-19, and Australia will very soon. And even that in the Canada, there are no more cases, and I think so Canada is free from the lockdown also, and students are getting handsome amount of investments, and some amount of compensation from the government also. Government has given them, I think so, 5,000 CAD for the 4 months, so that the student over there can go with their expenditure, whether they are being terminated or lay off from their job. And IELTS requirement is, if you are going for undergraduate, it is overall 6 with no band less than 5.5. And if you are going for the postgraduate, then the IELTS requirement is 6 each at least. And for some universities, it is overall 6.5, no band less than 6. And if you are unable to go for the IELTS test now, you can just go for the Duolingo. And till there will be Duolingo test, till then you can prepare for the other test also. There is a question from Pavneet Singh: is there any quarantine issues? Yes, Pavneet Singh, there is quarantine issue. Once you will go to Canada, you will have to quarantine yourself for 14 days. And on the website CICIC, there are updates about this, that you need to carry your grocery with you, and you must have a accommodation where there are no children, where there are no old age people. You have to self isolated yourself for at least 14 days, and even when you are traveling by air, you will not get any food. You will have to carry your food, your water bottle. You will have to carry your sanitizer to sanitize everything. You have to keep your phone charged. You need to touch very few things while even at the airport or while you are in the airplane. So these precautions are very mandatory. And apart from that, once if you are going for the September intake, and if your classes have been started online and you don't want to go right now, and is there any problem for you to go? No, you can do one thing. You can start your online study. This will not affect your post-study work permit. Once now Gagan sir will tell you that oh, you can start your online study. Please, Gagan sir.
Yeah, ma'am, I'll tell you. Actually, I guess Komal ma'am is waiting on your Facebook ID, so you have to send her message first.
So
And
I have told her that I have sent her the link also.
fine, okay.
So you please tell them till then.
Sorry, hello, hello. I guess there's a network issue. Amarjit ma'am, hello. Okay, guys, we have to today. Our more friends are connected with us right now. Today, we are gonna share the Canada's new rules and updates things due to COVID-19. What we have to do or what we can't do. Like अगर किसी का वीजा आ गया he wanna fly तो ਉਹਨੂੰ flight ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੈ. Our some students really want to fly. One major thing I want to tell you that on tourist visa you can't fly now. Till date, you can't fly to tourist visa to Canada, Australia, UK, Europe, nowhere. Duolingo test is accepted in UK also, although. So, where is Komal ma'am?
Komal ma'am will be here very soon. And if you want to go to UK and this test is acceptable, there is question from Aman Batta. Please tell me as and requirement for Canada, that I have already told that for undergraduate less than 5 for the post graduate you need overall 6.5 with no less than 6 for any of this. And now Gagan sir will tell you about the Duolingo test acceptance in UK. That no Duolingo test is accepted in UK.
Okay. As I tell you in the brief, like Duolingo test जो है बहुत पहले से चल रहा है. It's a very good test. It's only 1 hour test. The fees is in Indian currency is only 3,300 rupees. So Duolingo is accepted by UK. All of the university accepted Duolingo test in UK. You will get the offer letter. You will issue the cash, and embassy will also accept Duolingo in UK. Till the date now, with Duolingo test, no one get the visa in Punjab circle with Duolingo test. So students are willing to do Duolingo test online. Also, the student who will already have 5.5 bands, 5 bands, 6 band, they can go for the Duolingo. But like we are not yet dated in Canada, does it accept by the embassy or not? So we are not sure. Guys, one thing more. Amarjit ma'am is also offline, no issues. One thing more, guys, we will discuss today about the Canada study during this COVID-19. Colleges are closed, yet colleges are closed. In UK, some of the universities are open. Australia having some different rule. There's the COVID-19 का effect वहाँ बहुत कम है, but due to like COVID-19, Australia offer letters are coming. Even although Australia visas are coming, there's a no issue of Australia. So guys, today we have a guest. Maybe she's busy with some homework. She's busy at her household work. We are waiting for her. We are waiting for her. Amarjeet ma'am is also offline. मैम पता नहीं कितने चले जाते हैं. So guys, can't bring on camera. I am hosting live, but I need some of my friends to connected, and I want to join again Amarjit ma'am and Komal ma'am for the answers. Komal ma'am, there's Komal. Guys, there's a network issue, I guess. Network issue over here also.